Hi there, Todd with Tribble Painting. Today in our wall of color video, we're going to be using Benjamin Moore Chantilly Lace. We're going to be going over this dark color behind me, which will give Chantilly Lace a real workout to see how well it covers. Generally speaking, it's a color that does not have a lot of tint in it, so it doesn't have a lot of covering ability. It's okay, we love the color, we use it all the time on kitchens, bathrooms, trim, and especially kitchen cabinets. So we're going to be using Benjamin Moore Regal Select Eggshell today, so let's see what Chantilly Lace OC-65 looks like. Okay, here we have the first coat of Chantilly Lace OC-65. You can see through this to that old color. We kind of expected this with just one coat. This Chantilly Lace does not have a lot of the raw material titanium dioxide, which when you have a color tinted, that's what you're putting into the paint to give it coverage. So we're gonna expect 2, probably 3. Wouldn't be surprised if 4 coats are needed on this OC-65 Chantilly Lace. Let's see what the second coat does for us. Hey there, here we have our second coat of Chantilly Lace OC-65. It's actually covered better than I anticipated. That Gen X tint that Benjamin Moore has, I guess it's coming through, but it still needs a third coat. You can see on the cut lines where it's not quite as solid, and out in the field, which the camera probably will have a hard time picking up, but to the naked eye, you can definitely see through. So we'll go ahead and give a third coat of Chantilly Lace and take a look at that. So there we have our third coat of Chantilly Lace OC-65, the brightest white that Benjamin Moore has in their color line. So if you like this really bright look, you see the white baseboard across the bottom, this may be the color for you, but anticipate more than 2 coats if you're going to use this color. We really like this color. It's really bright and really stands out in cabinets, baseboards, again, bathrooms and kitchens. So let us know what you think of the color, and thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please hit subscribe and like. That's really helpful for other people finding the wall of color.